Hello, welcome all. Here we are going to discuss about what is mobile operating system, the architecture, components, then the types of the mobile operating system and its features. Before knowing about mobile operating system, we must know what is operating system. An operating system is an interface between hardware and user. It manages the hardware and software resources of the system. This is the basic architecture of any operating system. Here, the operating system is presented between the user and the hardware. Then, for a general idea, we just discuss about the types of generalized operating system. Some common OS types includes network operating system. Unix or Linux are examples of the network operating system. Then the desktop operating system. MS Windows 9X and MS Windows ME are examples of the desktop operating system. Then real-time operating system. Brett's Galaxy, which is an airline reservation system, is an example of a real-time operating system. Then our mobile operating systems include Android and iOS, which is our main topic here. Then talking about mobile operating system, the cellular and wireless network connectivity as well as phone access, all are managed by mobile operating system. So before learning about mobile operating system, it is good to have an idea about what is mobile computing. Mobile computing. Mobile computing is an ability to compute remotely while on the move. We can also say that computing on mobility is called mobile computing. It is also called ubiquitous computing. Ubiquitous here means found everywhere. Or nomadic computing. Nomadic, which means roaming about from place to place aimlessly, frequently, or without a fixed pattern of movement. Here, mobile computing is ubiquitous or nomadic computing. It is a kind of technology which allows transmission of any kind of data, such as voice, graphics, binary, or else using wireless device. Mobile computing consists of three components: wireless communication technology that uses wireless communication standard, then mobile hardware and mobile software. Then mobile operating system and mobile computing relation. Mobile operating system needs to perform all the activities which are performed by the generalized operating system, which we are already discussed. In addition, mobile operating system needs to handle incoming and outgoing calls, send and receive SMS, etc. Mobile operating system also needs to identify its device's geographical location and provide computing to the mobile application that works on geographical location. So from here we can understand mobile operating system does computing based on mobility. So it's need mobile computing. Need of mobile operating system. Mobile operating system is the system software which are control the mobile devices, as well as it provides good user interface for the interaction between the user and the hardware of the mobile. A good smartphone OS works quickly. Nowadays, people have become very busy because of past life. They want to manage the personal information such as notes, calendar, reminder, and also every user wants to surfing the internet on the smartphone anywhere at any time, which is not possible without the mobile operating system. Then the history of mobile operating system. It is not necessary to study by heart. We just have a look at it. Before 1993, mobile phones use embedded systems. Embedded system, which means a combination of hardware and software. The historical development of mobile operating system is shown here. From this, we can understand modern technology transformed the basic phones into smartphones, that they are much closer to handheld computers, which gives us so many advanced features which makes ordinary phones as smartphones. Next, what is mobile operating system? Our main topic starts here. An operating system that controls mobile devices is called mobile operating system. A mobile operating system is an OS built exclusively for a mobile device such as smartphone, PDA, tablet or other embedded mobile OS. They are simply deal with the wireless versions of broadband and local connectivity, mobile multimedia formats, and different input methods, etc. Mobile OS combines the features of computer operating system with other features which are useful to mobile devices as well as the handheld devices. These include calling and messaging, internet and cellular data connectivity, multitasking capabilities, interacting user interfaces, and access to a wide range of third-party applications and services to enhance the user experience even further. Modern mobile operating system includes Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, cellular touchscreen, protected access, GPS, which means global positioning system for mobile navigation, camera to capture high quality video and images, speech recognition, voice recorder, music player, and infrared blaster. Mobile devices with mobile communication capabilities, for example smartphones, contains two mobile operating systems. The main user-facing software platform is supplemented by a second level proprietary real-time operating system which operates the radio and other hardware. Mobile operating system architecture. Here in this figure, two model of mobile operating system architecture are shown. One is old model and another is new model. In old model of mobile operating system architecture, there is end users using mobile applications and access for internet or services. In new model, there is end users, mobile application, cloud, service providers, application developers, and other users. The previous mobile operating systems, which means old model systems, were unable to provide an effective interface, therefore, the capabilities of the phones they were supported were limited. However, modern smartphones are laced with the most advanced features of full-fledged computer, which includes high-speed central processing unit CPU and graphic processing unit GPU, large storage space, multitasking, high-resolution screens and cameras with clarity, multi-purpose communication hardware, and so on. Next, components of a mobile operating system. First one is kernel. A kernel is the core or heart of an operating system. It contains all the functions and operations to manage the working of operating system. Second is process execution. The OS execute various processes so that the statement will execute and connect the application program to the hardware. Whenever a process executes, it uses memory, space, and other resources as well. Third is interrupt. Interrupts are basically used by the hardware devices to communicate with the CPU. It is basically a signal which the device generates to request the CPU. Moreover, when an interrupt occurs, the CPU temporarily stops executing its current process. Next is memory management. It is the management of main or primary memory. Furthermore, whatever the program is executed, it has to be presented in the main memory. Therefore, there can be more than one program present at a time. Hence, it's required to manage the memory. Then multitasking. It is performing more than one task at a time. The OS allows the user to work with more than one process at a time without any problem. The operating system allocates and deallocates the memory. It keeps a record of which part of the primary memory is used by whom and how much. Distribute the memory while multiprocessing. Then security. The OS keeps the system and program safe and secure through authentication. A user ID and password decide the authenticity of the user. At last, user interface. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. As the name suggests, it provides a graphical interface for the user to interact with the computer. It uses icons, menus, etc. to interact with the user. Moreover, the user can easily interact by just clicking these items. Therefore, it is very user-friendly and there is no need to remember any commands. Some common features of mobile operating system. First one is it is easy to use. Because of providing good user interface, mobile operating systems are easy to use. It means a good mobile operating system provides graphics which is attractive. The buttons and features should be easy to use. Moreover, the functionality should be powerful and useful. The next is good app store. App is basic part of an mobile OS. Good and useful apps forms an important part of an OS, and the app should be simple and interactive. Then, good battery life. Mobile OS requires powerful processors, sensors, etc. Therefore, the battery holds a very important role. Therefore, a good battery backup is very essential. Then, data usage and organization. An operating system should focus on controlling the data and the network usage. It should keep the limit and requirement in focus. Secondly, the organization of data related to to-do list, calendar, alarms, reminder, etc. is very important. A good operating system should keep this data in a very organized and safe manner. Moreover, the data should be readily and easily available. Then the other features are multitasking, scheduling, memory allocation, protection and security, multimedia features, etc. Next is advantages of mobile operating system. Provides ease to users. Then disadvantages of mobile operating systems are some mobile operating systems gives poor battery quality to user. Some of the mobile operating systems are not user friendly. Then additionally, mobile operating systems are less customizable compared to the traditional desktop operating system. Next is types of mobile operating system. Here we are going to discuss about this main operating systems. For better understanding, just discussing general idea of different types of mobile operating system. This figure shows the main types of mobile operating systems are based on which operating system. Android is based on Linux kernel. iOS and BlackBerry mobile operating systems are based on Unix kernel. Windows mobile operating system is based on Windows NT. Then talking about mobile operating system, the first one is Android mobile operating system. Android is an operating system which is most common operating system and software platform for mobile devices that uses a modified version of Linux. It was initially developed by Android Incorporated, a firm later purchased by Google. Android has a number of updates since its original release. The name for the every new version of update is based on some dessert. For example, Android version 1.5 is named as Cupcake. Then do not declare Oreo KitKats are another version of Android. Different types of Android versions are shown in this figure. Then working states of Android operating system. It is currently running. Some features of the Android OS. Android OS is open and free. It uses proven technology like Java, XML, and Linux. OS typing for all test fields are available in Android OS. Multitasking is another feature of Android OS. Software development of Android. Software development language is Java. Android has two debuggers, ADB, Android Debug Bridge, and DDMS, Dalvik Debug Monitor. The IDE is Android IDE. The operating system is Linux kernel based. Then the architecture of Android is shown in this figure. It has system apps, Java API framework, native C or C++ libraries, Android runtime, hardware abstraction layer, Linux kernel, then power management. Next is Apple iOS. iPhone OS is the mobile operating system developed by Apple Incorporated. It is the default OS of iPhone, iPod Touch, and the iPad. After Android, it is one of the most popular OS. It also has very strong security features. The user interface of the iPhone OS based on multi-touch gestures. Working state. It is currently running. Feature of the iPhone OS. Multi-touch user interface. POP or IMAP or SMTP. Email background processing and strong security features. Then the software development. Software development language used here is Objective-C. Then the IDE used is Xcode. Then OS is Mac OS X Leopard or later. Architecture of iOS. It has Coca Touch Media Core Services, and Core OS. Then Windows Mobile Operating System. Windows Mobile Operating System is a combat operating system. The developer of the OS is Microsoft. It is basically designed for Pocket PC and smartphones. It has feature of computer-based Windows OS and additional feature for mobile phones. Its working state is currently working. Software development. Languages used is Visual Studio such as XAML with C hash, Visual Basics, .NET, and C++, IDE and tools, Visual Studio based, OS is Microsoft Windows OS family based. Then BlackBerry mobile operating system. The developer of this operating system is Research in Motion, RIM. It was specially designed for BlackBerry devices. It is useful for corporate users. Working state. This continued after the release of BlackBerry 10. Software development technology used. Language C++. It is also support Java. BlackBerry uses QNS, a Unix-like real-time operating system. Features of this OS is BlackBerry then browser, BlackBerry Balance, BlackBerry Flow, BlackBerry Hub, that only available for this BlackBerry mobile operating system. Then the Symbian OS. Symbian Ltd is the developer of this OS. Moreover, Nokia was the first to use this OS on the mobile phones. It provides a high-level integration with communication. This OS is based on Java language. Its working state is discontinued. Software development. Software development languages is written in C++. This also supports Java. Features of this OS is real-time operating system, multimedia support, platform security. Hope you all understand. Thank you for listening.